Today we are exploring the abandoned Châtelet branch of the Charleroi Metro. This 6.8 km long line has 4 completely finished stations. Work on the line stopped in 1985 and the stations were never taken into service. Join us as we venture into the stations and tunnels of this long lost metro. The first station along the line is called Neewer, but we didn't go there as the risk of police being called was just too high. Instead, we started our journey at Châtelet, the next station. It was time to leave Châtelet station and continue our way 400 meters down the track to the next station called Bonzi. After Bonzi, it was time to go to the most exciting and scary part of this URBEX, the 500-meter long pitch black tunnel leading into the underground station of Saint-Terre. And now it's time to find the underground station of Saint-Terre inside this pitch black tunnel. We finally saw the light at the end of the tunnel, and we were coming near the point of where all cables and tracks stop. From this point, the tracks stop. We didn't go further as the next two stations, Champeau and Corbeau, are only building concrete and are too overgrown. There are plans to renovate this line to take it back in operation. The overhead power cables are still powered, and some tests have been done with trams riding along the line. It was both sad and amazing to see the never used stations with my own eyes. Maybe one day the stations will see passengers for the first time ever.